Hello guys, welcome to this video. Once again, my name is Felman Garcia and we are going to create again another laboratory exercises or exercise. So this activity is we are going to create a simple program that will show the difference between static and dynamic scoping. So we are going to use the Perl programming language because only the Perl allows both static and a kind of dynamic scoping. So let's create this laboratory activity. So we are going to use online GDB to create our program. So let's start this. So to declare a variable in Perl, we need to use my followed by the static followed by the dollar sign with our variable. Let's say for example our variable is static equals this is a static variable. So actually we're going to use this variable for differentiating the static and then the dynamic scoping. Then we are going to create a function. Let's say this is function A. Next will be we are going to declare another variable. This is, let's say, local variable, and this will be this is a local variable. Then let's create another function, function B. So in function B, we are going to access our static variable here or our global variable. So we are going to display it. So to display it, we're going to use the print. So we're going to, let's say, display static variable here. So then we are going to call our static variable. So here in function B, we are calling this variable inside our function B. Okay. The next, in function A, we are going to display local variable here. So to call that local variable, let's put new line or a space. Okay. Now for our main method, let's call our function A. To call function A, it's like this. Function A, open and close parenthesis, but so before we call the function A, let's call function B. So meaning, we call function A, before the function A display local variable here, it will call first function B. It will display static variable before it display the local variable. So let's try this code first. Yeah. So the output is display static variable here. So this is a static variable. Display local variable here. This is a local variable. So let's modify this. What we are going to do is to call or is to use the local variable inside the function A. So let's try to display that. Let's see if we can use or we can display the local variable from function A. Display local variable here from function A method. Then okay. So what we are doing, we are accessing the local variable from function A method. Okay, so let's try to run if something to display here in this print. Okay, so as you can see in our output, so there is no local variable here from function A method. There is no display here in our display local variable here from function A method because this local variable owns only by function A. So we cannot access that to function B. We can only access from function B our static variable or our global variable. This is what we call the dynamic scoping, this part. Because we can use static variable because the static variable is not inside in function B or in function A. So we cannot use local variable because the local variable, the owner of this is function A. So let's create or let's modify the function A and let's see if we can modify the value of static bar. So let's use the static bar and put it here inside the function A, and the same value, this is a local variable, and we cannot use this because we cannot access the static variable inside the function A. So to comment this, we are going to use hashtag for the comment. Okay, so let's see if we can modify the value of the static bar inside the function A. But before that, we have to change this. Okay, so let's see what is the output. So there you go. So we call function A. So before we display local variable here, so we call first the function B and display static variable here. So as you can see, the string is this is a static variable. So this static variable we called our global variable, which is outside the two functions. This is a static variable. Next, after the display of the function B, we're going to display the display of the function A. Display local variable here. Display local variable here. Here, this is a local variable. So as you can see, we can modify the value of the static bar, and we can reuse the variable from our global declaration to inside our method function A, because this static variable is only, you can use this within the method function A, and you cannot use this outside the function A. So here we discuss the static variable or the static scoping and the dynamic scoping. This is our dynamic scoping because we can call this in every location of our program, and this one is static because we can only use this inside our method. So I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.